So another example is the integral of the square root of e squared minus x squared dx. So let's say x is equals to a sine a dx here. That is equivalent to e cosine a, then dA. Also, we have the square root of e squared minus x squared. Okay, that is equivalent to a, then cosine a. So now we can substitute. Okay, so the equivalent of the square root of e squared minus x squared, that is e cosine a. Then we have dx here, also a, then cosine a dA. Okay, so we have e squared here. Okay, then quantity of cosine squared a dA. Okay, and equivalent of trigonometric identities, cosine squared a, that is equivalent to 1/2 of 1 plus cosine 2a. So in this case, we cannot integrate cosine squared a dA. E squared, the quantity of 1/2, then 1 plus cosine 2a, then dA. Okay. Or that is e squared over 2, the integral of 1. So now we can substitute dE here. Okay. dA. So we add bracket na lang. So the integral of 1 dE plus the integral of cosine 2a, then dA. This is e squared over 2, integral of 1 dE, that is a, plus the integral of cosine 2a dA, and that is 1/2 sine 2a plus c. Okay. We can substitute the value or the equivalent of sine 2e and also this a, So x is equals to a sine a. So we have sine a is equals to x over a. Okay, so to take the value or to take the equivalent this a, so we have a is equals to sine inverse or arc sine x over a. E squared over 2 sine inverse x over e, then plus 1/2. Okay, so take note that sine 2e and trigonometric identities equivalent to 2 sine a, then cosine a, 2 sine a, then cosine a, then plus c. To finalize the answer, e squared over 2, then we have sine inverse x over a, then plus, we can cancel 2 here. So the equivalent of sine a, that is x over a, and cosine a, that is square root of e squared minus x squared, over a. So we have here x over a, then times the square root of e squared minus x squared, then over a, okay, then plus c. This is e squared over 2 sine inverse x over a, then plus e squared here is makancel. So e times e, that is e squared. So we have x over 2 here times the square root of e squared minus x squared, then plus c. So that is the final answer.